Hi sunshines, go back to the MADCURLS channel. I am TaylorAnne, and if you've been on this channel before, then you know that MADCURLS stands for mother and daughter curls, and this is a duo channel. So LoriAnne, my mom, is not here in this video today because we live in Connecticut and it is super hot. There is a heat advisory, and if you watch our channel then you know that she has MS and she can just not do the heat. So the whole going from her room to the bathroom to this room for filming, like, it was just too hot and just like too much for her. So I was like, you know what, we still need content. So I was like, why don't I do like a TaylorAnne takeover and put a video out. I was like, I can still do a video. I'm like, I can do it because we were just on Friday Night Live and somebody asked for me to show how I detangle my hair with oil, because I don't detangle my hair in the shower, I detangle my hair out of the shower. So I was like, that's an easy video, like I had to do that today anyway. I was like, why don't I just film it, see if I can do a little video by myself. So you guys have me today, and keep LoriAnne in your prayers because it is hot. It's very hot. I actually just got back from the beach, so I had to put my melanin shirt on. This shirt is from Power in Black. We are Power in Black ambassadors. We have a code MADCURLS. You can get 15% off their t-shirts, but my melanin is coming through. I'm actually like a little red on my legs in certain places. I might have burned a little bit, but I'm very happy. I was at the beach and it was just, I loved it. It was so nice. I went with Wi-Fi Adam, and he might have gotten a little tan. Like, I don't know, Adam doesn't tan. Go check out our videos with Wi-Fi Adam in them. Like, he's very light. He's more fair skinned, so like I was afraid he was gonna burn, but he didn't burn, he didn't tan, and we were out there for like 3 hours, so I don't know. But anyway, all right, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I detangle my hair with oil. I've been natural for almost 10 years, I don't know, somewhere between 8 and 10 years, and I've detangled my hair a lot of different ways. I've detangled my hair in the shower, I've detangled my hair with the co-wash in the shower, with the conditioner in the shower, with my fingers, with a wide tooth comb, with a paddle brush. Like, I've switched my detangling routines a lot over the years, but the routine I'm loving right now and I think I'm going to stick with is the one where I detangle my hair before I get in the shower. I feel like that way I lose less hair. One, there's less breakage, and it's easy. Like, before I was kind of like, oh my gosh, like, to take my hair from this and detangle it, I'm like, yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna happen. But I have found a system that works, and relatively, I don't want to say quick because I don't want you to think like you have to rush your detangling process. That's like the worst thing you can do, is rush detangling. That's how you could break your hair off and definitely damage like all your hard work. Detangling your hair is like a process that like needs to be taken like seriously and slow, and you don't want to rush the detangling process. But let me show you what I have on the table. So when I detangle my hair with oil, I always start with just a little bit of water. I don't do it on dry hair, but my hair is not soaking wet either, so you'll see like kind of how much water I use, but I always spray a little bit of water to get it started. And I have my two favorite oils that I like to use. I like to use the Melanin Multi-use Pure Oil blend. I love this oil. I love how much oil you get. This size, this is 8 ounces. It just looks like just a lot of oil. I love the melanin oil. And then my other favorite oil is the Miche polished hair and scalp oil. So these are the two oils I will reach for on any given detangling day. Today I think I'm going to go with the melanin oil. I also have some clips here because sectioning your hair is important, and I feel like it's easier to detangle your hair if you work in smaller sections, so you're not just like ripping your hair out doing a great big chunk. So I have my clips here, and then I also have my brushes, my wide tooth comb, and this is my Philips Flex brush. I will link this brush down below. This is my favorite detangling brush. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and this is just my favorite brush. You guys will see why when I use it. But yeah, so if you want to see me detangle this mane, then please keep watching. Typically LoriAnne will say, please keep watching, but she's not here, so please keep watching. Okay, so if I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror is over here. Yeah, my hair was just out in the sun today, just blowing in the wind. Like, this is a day 3 Miche wash and go. I actually have the product I use on the table so you can see what we're working with here. This is day 3 of a one and done with the Mielle, sorry. The Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. I just one and done this. Would I do it again? Maybe, I don't know. It has glycerin as its second ingredient, so yeah, that's why my hair is a little bit humidified here. It's just a poof, but you know, sometimes you just gotta rock with it, and I probably could rock with this today, but we need a video for tomorrow, so that's why I'm gonna film this video. But I probably could have been rocking this hair another day and not have been bothered. So the first thing I do is section my hair in on two sides. I'm just gonna put this side a little clip and stick it over there. Now I'm going to take my water and spray. This water bottle is from Sally Beauty, but we also sell these 360 mist sprayers in our Amazon store, which those are being bought from our Amazon store every day. We actually have a video on how to use those water bottles, these water bottles, and I was shocked. I think it has like 25,000 views, and I'm like, people are really searching how to use 360 water bottles. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I spray my hair wet, and then I just kind of smooth it, kind of get the water going, and also just like pulling, you know, the tangles out, just kind of pulling my hair in a downward motion, you know, running my fingers through it a little bit. It's almost like finger detangling a little bit, but not really. Get a little bit more water going here. Get all of these layers back. All right. And this just makes it easier to section your hair again. Depending on how tangled my hair is, sometimes I'll section it in 2, sometimes I'll section it in 3. I'm gonna start with 2 today because it's only day 3, so this shouldn't be that serious. Although again, I was out at the beach in the sun, hair blowing in the wind, thinking I was cute in my watermelon bathing suit. So yeah, hair flipping this way, hair flipping that way. Okay, spray it with some water again, and then just again pull down, pull down, pull down. Get that water in there, separate it. I always do this like motion, just like separating the tangles, just separating. Pull down, kind of rake your fingers through a little bit. All right. And then the first thing I do is go in with the wide tooth comb to see what I can do with just the wide tooth comb. Always start on your ends and work your way up. I had to teach my mom that. She would start up here, her whole piece of hair would be tangled, and she'd be starting from here and going down. It's like your whole strand is tangled, you're not going anywhere. So you want to start on your ends and work your way up. So that strand wasn't that bad. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil. And this just adds like some moisture to my hair as well. Sometimes like I'll use it to detangle, sometimes I'll just like basically like 90% detangle my hair, and then I'll add it in and like finish up the job. So get a little bit of oil in your hands, work your hands together. Yes, and it just glides right through. And I don't like to detangle my hair with just oil, like going in with my hair looking like this with oil, because my hair gets poofy very quickly, and like I feel like I'm not detangling, and I kind of feel like I'm making it worse. So I definitely like water to tame it, but I don't like as much water as like the shower gives. The shower gives way too much water, and to me it kind of like masks the tangles. So you think, you know, oh, you know, my hair's not that tangled. You put it under the shower head and like brush your hair, like you're like ripping your hair out and breaking your hair off, and you don't even know it because it feels like there's slip because there's water falling on it, and it's just, it masks it, and you really are like snapping your hair off doing that. So I don't recommend people like detangle their hair under the shower faucet, because you can't really gauge how tangled your hair really is, and you are like snapping and breaking your hair off. But if you detangle in the shower, like not under the faucet like I used to do that, I just kind of felt like my mani was going down the drain, because I'd be standing there for a while detangling my hair while the shower head, like the water's just running on me, not doing anything with it. You know, I'm just standing there detangling my hair. So I do feel like my time in the shower goes faster now that I detangle my hair out of the shower. Especially if you gotta pay for water, girl, your mani, or guy, y'all, your money's going down the drain. So I'm just going to brush. This brush sounds worse than it actually is, than actually what's going on. My hair is not breaking off. Alright, and there is that piece right there. So that is that piece is detangled. So I will just twist it, clip it, and move on to the next piece. So this is where I decide if I'm gonna break my hair into two, like if I'll just like do this and call it a day, or sometimes I will break this piece down one more time. I'll see, let me wet it first. And that's when I kind of decide if I'm going to do 2 sections on each side or 3 sections. Just smooth the water in. Yeah, I don't think the detangling job is that serious. And again, just like separate it with your hands, pull the tangles apart nice and gently. Just pull them apart, smooth down. Use your fingers a little bit. Yeah. Everyone has a different method for detangling, because I feel like detangling is probably everybody's least favorite part. Like on wash day, when I do my hair, I'm like, oh, this is cute, and it dries, and then I'm like, I think to myself, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to detangle this. Or like those big volume days, I'm like, detangling day is about to be real. Those days when I get like a lot of volume in my hair. Alright, so just smooth. Alright, get some oil for this piece. So with the last strand, I grabbed my wide tooth comb before I put oil in, you know. And this time I grabbed oil first. It's all just, you know, these are the tools. I might use them in a different order, but, you know. Alright, start at the ends. Got my wide tooth comb, work my way up. Again, go gently. Start at the bottom. And then once I'm done with my whole head, that's when I get into the shower and shampoo or co-wash my hair, and it all just goes by so much faster. And after I learned to detangle my hair out of the shower, it made me like shampooing my hair more, because before, when I would detangle my hair in the shower, it's like I would get in the shower with tangled hair, and then I would go in with the shampoo, and it would be like cleaning all the tangles in my hair, and then I rinse it out and my hair would just be a clean mass of tangles, and I just hated that. I hated that because shampoos aren't, you know, the most moisturizing things in the world. So now it was just kind of like a dry mess of tangles. But I found that I loved shampooing my hair more when I detangle my hair out of the shower. Now my hair, like I use it, my hair is just nice and clean and tangle free. And if the shampoo does cause my hair to tangle even just a little bit, like it's easier to manage to just, you know, get a few tangles out than to have to get a whole head worth of tangles out and you've shampooed your hair. So I don't know, I just always recommend trying to detangle your hair out of the shower first. Some people might call this a pre-poo, you know, because you're letting some oil sit on your hair before you get in. I know when we did, why do I feel like we did a video like this? Kind of. I don't know, we might have, but someone said, like, you know, why would you put water and then put oil on your hair? Like, that's just how I do it. Like, I need some water in my hair for this process. My hair can't be completely dry. And my hair's not saturated by any means, but it can't be completely dry either. So that is it. And then I finish the process on this side. So hold on one second. sides are done, completely detangled. And so again, from this point, I would just get in the shower, shampoo, condition my hair, or co-wash it, and deep condition or whatever style my hair, go on about my normal wash day. But I do detangle my hair out of the shower. I would say this took about 15-20 minutes, which is pretty normal for me. And this is how much hair I lost, which for 3 days, humidity, a lot of volume, this is not bad at all. Where you guys see that? Not bad at all. So yeah, this is it. Comment down below and let me know how you detangle your hair. Do you prefer to detangle it in the shower, out of the shower, wide tooth comb, brush sections? Let me know how you do it. If you are somebody who's struggling with detangling and you haven't tried this detangling routine, definitely give it a go. I think it's one of the best ways to detangle your hair. I definitely feel like when your hair is completely saturated wet in the shower, your hair is at its weakest point, and it definitely can break off and cause split ends. And I don't know, I feel like your hair can damage more easily in the shower with a lot of water than when it's dry. I feel like it's a little bit stronger when it's dry, or drier, because I do use a little bit of water on my hair, but my hair is not completely saturated. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hashtag TaylorAnne takeover. I have no idea what tomorrow's video is going to be. Me and LoriAnne have not filmed anything yet, so I have to see how she feels, if she's up to filming. If not, you will be seeing just me again. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and again, head on over to LoriAnne's Facebook or something, say hi to her Instagram, because she's not in this video, and I know you guys are missing her as much as I am. This is really weird for me to be sitting here filming by myself, because I'm so used to filming with LoriAnne. But again, I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to our channel and like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will see you in our next MADCURLS video. Okay,